Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by isolating the villager. You need the workstation removed and the villager within about 48 blocks. First, pick up or destroy any job site block, composter, lectern, grindstone, because a villager claims the nearest valid block. Once done, guide the villager into a small trap using a boat or lead so it cannot pathfind back to a workstation. This prevents reclaiming while you continue. Make sure lighting prevents hostile mob interference. You want controlled behavior. Now focus on the actual job removal. Break the claimed workstation while the villager is nearby so it cannot restock and keeps losing its profession. If the villager immediately reclaims another workstation, remove that block too. Clear the 48-block radius of any valid job site blocks. Once the workstation is gone, the villager becomes unemployed. You may need to nudge it with the boat or lead to reset its AI. Remember, timing matters. Do this during its active hours so changes register. Finish by confirming the villager has no profession icon and cannot trade. That proves the job removal worked. If you want the villager to remain jobless, leave the area clear of workstations. If you intend to reassign, place the specific workstation and wait for it to link. Troubleshooting. If the profession persists, move the villager more than 64 blocks away or into a new chunk. Then repeat breaking any nearby workstations. This forces a full reset and resolves stubborn linking issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.